Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and chalkcouture, and today we have an exciting video for you. That's right, we're going to show you how to clean and rescue your chalkcouture transfers. And by rescue, I mean when your transfer sticks to itself and you think you have to throw it away, you don't, so stay tuned. But first, let's tell you how we clean our transfers. Now, you invest a lot of money in these transfers, so you want to make sure you take care of them, clean them right away so you get a full life of these transfers. We use the board eraser, the fuzzing cloth, and that equals a happy long life. Now, we do not allow our transfers to sit in water because it will remove the stickiness from the back of the transfer. So even during my live videos, I immediately go to my sink, and under running water, I will take the board eraser, clean one side, turn it over, clean the other side, remove the excess water, and then dry my transfer. Now, do not freak out if you're using the board eraser and it does not remove all of your paste stain. Some of our paste will stain your transfers, and it's okay. It doesn't interfere with the transfer at all. It will work just fine. Now, I like to dry my transfers right away, so I will put it sticky side down first, clean off all the water, and then put the transfer on one of our fuzzing cloths, take another fuzzing cloth like it's a sandwich, and start drying both sides. Then you can put it right back on its backer sheet, and guess what? You have a happy transfer that's going to last a lifetime. But let's talk about what you do in this situation. Every once in a while, when you are removing a transfer or placing it, it accidentally sticks to itself, and you freak out and you want to cry. Do not freak out. Run it under warm water and slowly peel it apart. And I mean slowly, do not force this. But it works best under running warm water and just very slightly pull each section apart. And just like magic, ta-da! It works every single time. Well, I hope this video helps you in some way. Make sure to check out our other videos. Take a look at our chalkcouture store. Maybe join our chalkcouture team. But as always, thanks for watching and have an amazing day. Bye, everyone.